and welcome back to my channel, Shinestrong, Live Long. Today we're going to continue this segment of Try Something New on my channel, where we take a cookbook and we pick a recipe that we want to try and we try it. And today I'm going to also have Natasha join me on my channel. Before we start, make sure that you click the subscribe button below, as well as on the bell icon, so that you receive notifications when I post new videos. And here's Tasha.
Today we're going to make coffee cake.
So bad.
That's what you think I sound like?
Today we're gonna make coffee cake from the Magnolia Table Cookbook. This is a recipe she picked out. The peach cobbler that we did was the truth.
What's up, bomb diggity?
Right? Go ahead, Joanna Gaines. For this recipe of coffee cake, we need 3/4 cup of sugar, all-purpose flour. You need ground cinnamon, cold unsalted butter cubed, 1 stick that's room temperature, and then you have 5 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter. You need cooking spray, baking powder, salt, 1 large egg, whole milk, pure vanilla extract. Pure vanilla extract. Okay. Extract. Whatever. Alright. Okay, first step.
Okay, we can't.
Why are you going in the fridge?
You said we need another stick of butter.
We do, but we need it to be cold. Nah, yeah, you can pull it out. Unsalted, because once you get back here, it's going to be hard to squeeze back over there. Ugh. Make the streusel. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but the stuff on top, I think that's what they're saying. In a medium bowl, combine sugar, flour, and cinnamon. 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Cut in the butter with a pastry blender or your fingers until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Refrigerate until you're ready to use it. We're gonna put it into this bowl until we're ready to use it. So I'm gonna use my spatula with a C. Thanks, Mama Hope. That's my mother-in-law, guys. So to make the cake, you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and spray a 9 by 9 inch baking pan lightly with cooking spray. Okay, in a medium bowl, stir together the flour, baking powder, and salt. You want to do the dry and me do the wet?
What you have to do with the wet?
The electric thing.
Okay, yep.
You want me to do it?
That's what I said.
Okay. All right. So, for the dry ingredients, you're gonna stir in flour, and you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You need 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. In a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy, about 4 minutes. I don't have one of those, so.
Can I do it? I want to do it.
We don't have one. I just told you.
But you can just use this.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No, you're gonna use that. You gotta cream the butter. So you gotta kind of like make it fluffy. I've done it before, but you
Right,
have to
exactly. So
have a
use
hand mixer.
this. I know what I'm thinking.
I know what you think. I hope you know what you
I
think.
know. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna show you what they mean. So
I know what they're talking about. Let me do it.
okay, you can do it with the hand mixer, because that's what you need to do. So, that's not fair. You get to dry it anyway.
Egg.
No, you don't. You're doing it wrong already.
It literally said egg, a vanilla extract,
And y'all, she about to ruin this whole thing. Stop. No. Read. Look. Let me show you what
How am I
they
supposed to
said.
read it if I can't see it?
Tasha. They said, get the butter. Read it. Look. Okay. It says this. In the stand mixture,
Yeah,
fit it with the
butter.
pat. Okay. Cream the butter and stir until light and fluffy. You got to do it in order.
No, so you need the whole
Joanna
stick.
knows what she's saying.
So you need the whole stick.
Yeah, whole stick. Come on now. To have things added while it's still mixing. But since we don't have the standing mixer, it's actually a good thing that we're doing this together so that we can kind of add it at the same time. So, okay, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. I forgot the sugar. So 3/4 cups of sugar is what we need to add. You get it? Alright, so 3/4.
So I put it.
What? The thing? Yeah, you can sit on the thing. Well, no. We actually have to do it and add stuff. So do you want to add stuff while I mix now? Or do you want to mix? You can try. Go ahead. Go ahead. You just gotta put it in. It says, cream the butter until light fluffy, scrape down the sides, and then add the egg, milk, and vanilla, and then mix on low until the ingredients start coming together. 3/4 cup of milk. This is 1/4.
Stir with this here.
No. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla. When they start coming together, we're gonna. So once that starts coming together, I'm gonna take this. Oh my god, don't overdo it. So, okay, what the heck? Okay, we're gonna start adding the flour. Oh yeah, that's looking good, girl. Look at it. Then we just spread the batter in the prepared mixing pan, or the prepared baking pan. Then she already put the stuff in.
I'm sorry.
Look, that's how you do it, right there. Go ahead. With the lid in. No, you can't. You're wrong.
Why you say that?
Sprinkle the streusel over the butter. Batter, not butter. And then we bake 30 to 35 minutes. And we're done. Here's the final product. Tasha came downstairs to see it, but she looked so sleepy. The time is, what time is it? Let me check my watch. It is 12:54. So, good night. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. How is it? I'm about to cut into it. Perfect. Good job.